you can treat everything, but that everything has to be differentiated with the Chinese medicine pattern. The origin of Chinese herbal therapy actually is used as food therapy, meaning if there's any imbalance, we use food to treat it. So when nowadays we hear a lot about food is medicine. It has been practiced in Chinese medicine already. So most of the herbs that we use in Chinese formula or Chinese herbal therapy, you can use it as food. Of course, there are some that I don't advise to use it without any consultation of Chinese medicine practitioner, but most of them you can use it as food. However, it's not a one size fits all formula like what we see in Whole Foods or on Amazon. Like you buy one herbs and then it's used for this symptom. Chinese medicine always focus on what is out of balance, what is too much, what is deficient, what is excessive. Is it heat, cold? Is it stagnation, phlegm, or phlegm stagnation, dampness, deficiency, or blood stagnation, blood stasis, qi stagnation, things like that. So a lot of time when we are using Chinese herbs on patient, we need to look at overall what is the manifestation of this person, what kind of pattern do I see, what kind of constitution I see in this patient. So for instance, if a person come in to treat migraine, the migraine can be caused by qi deficiency. So we formulate a formula of that focus on qi deficiency. And however, the patient next door, the migraine is caused by blood stasis, then the formula is more of the target, the blood stasis, removing blood stasis, and then smooth the qi. So it's definitely not a one size fits all. And a lot of time we can see that we use different formula to treat the same pattern, or we use the same formula to treat different pattern, as long as the formula is customized according to this person. And sometimes we also add into the seasonality change. Like for instance, when it's hot, when it's in summer, when the patient got the migraine in summer, then we probably need to think about, maybe there's some external heat or external wind heat, so that we also need to help the patient to expel the wind heat or the wind. I do have to say it depends, because like I said, the same formula can treat different illnesses, and the different same illnesses can be treated by different formulas. So yes and no, you can treat everything, but that everything has to be differentiated with the Chinese medicine pattern, the pattern differentiation, like heat, cold, deficiency, access, yin or yang. You have to follow the 8 principle to customize the formula. If you're using under the advice or follow the imbalance of the patient or yourself, yes, it is. But we do need to pay attention to the herb-drug interaction. And there are many research out there. That's why, although most of the herbs can be used as food, but if we use it in a large quantity or a long term, it can still have side effect. I do want to clarify one thing. Just because it's natural doesn't mean that it's completely safe. If you're not a practitioner and you want to use Chinese herbs to help with your health concern, then it's definitely better to consult a Chinese medicine practitioner, because we are trained to use that with guidelines. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.